Hey, it's Shelly, and I have a simple way. This is an automatic cat litter box, but this one is different. I know a lot about these. I've had several through my cat years, and I love them. But this is different. So this was sent to me, so I'm going to review it and try it out and see what I like about it and give you an honest opinion. Now, it came with the mat. These mats are cool because they can step on them, and the litter goes here, then you can just step them out. These are great. If you ever buy the one that has the thing in the middle, okay. So then this goes right here. Okay, it comes with an after-sales service card, and it has a help. Not everybody does that. It gives you their email, so that's awesome. I like that. And then it says to turn it on. So I plugged it up. I mean, as I turn it on, plug it up. So I plugged it up, and we need to put in our bag. It came with 2 sets of the bags, okay? This must be the remote. I didn't even know it came with a remote. That's cool, okay. But it's automatic, so you don't really need a remote, but that's cool. Okay. I might have supposed to put this in before I plugged it up. I like it that these came with it. They don't always come with them. Okay, now if this thing pulls out, just goes around them. That's a big area too. Okay, and while I have it open, this thing here, deodorizer, green tea, which is good. Green tea is amazing. Okay, there's a little indentation, so that goes in the front. All right, let's put this thing in, make a quick beeping. Yay. All right, now for some litter. And this thing here, I like it because this will then, when it goes, and it'll turn over, and through these holes that you probably can't see right now, it'll empty it out. Hopefully, I can have my cat use the bathroom and show you. And put in some litter. Ugh. I just grabbed some regular, normal cat litter. Now, there's a line in here, and it says, excuse my hand, don't fill past that line. I didn't. Okay, and it says as soon as you have the cat litter in, you have to hit this button twice. And they tell you it's on the left right here, on my left anyways. Okay, it says hit this button twice. Because it knows someone was there, but that it wasn't a cat using the bathroom. Oh, and it says, I think up to 18 pounds. The only thing I might see with an issue is for my kitten. She's growing fast, but this might be too tall for her, for a kitten. But then again, I have a little stool too that I could put like right here for her. And so if you have something like that, if you have a kitten, then they could get up on it and then get in. But so far, it looks pretty cool, and that would be my only problem. So I'm going to leave it plugged up. I'm going to see what my cat does. All right, this is one of my adult cats. So she got in it. It took her a little bit to actually do it, but I caught her on camera, and so I was proud of her. She did it. There's another one I have. She only uses it, so she used this one. Made me really proud. And this is how it works. Showed how it goes in and out. And this is my kitten. So my kitten used it, and I see that thing that put in the front, the little steps, that actually came with my other one, but I put it there for her to help get in it. But most of the time she's just been jumping over the side, so I guess it's a lot easier than I thought it was going to be for her to get in, and she uses it all the time. I actually really like this thing. I like it. 4 out of 5 stars for me. Hope this helps you guys.